Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get rainbow lightning in Flashpoint. Open Flashpoint and find the game entry you want to edit, then close Flashpoint. Extract the game's content into a working folder, locate the lightning sprite or effect file, and prepare a backup copy. Keep your image editor and a simple text editor ready to adjust frames and palettes, and confirm the game's config points to your modified files before testing. Open the lightning sprite sheet in your image editor and work on a duplicate layer. Create a rainbow gradient across the strike by recoloring each frame progressively, keeping hues consistent for fluid motion. Preserve the original frame size and transparency to avoid visual glitches in-game, and save using the same file name and format. Test quickly in Flashpoint to confirm timing, then iterate until the rainbow transition looks natural and vibrant. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading on breaks comfortable with a bright, glare-free display and long battery life, perfect when you need a rest from modding. I've linked it and other deals in the description so you can check prices and extras. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Open the game's config or JSON that defines effects and point it to your new sprite file and frame count. If the platform caches assets, clear any cache or restart Flashpoint to force the engine to load your edited files. Launch the game and trigger the lightning effect in multiple scenes to check color flow and timing. Tweak frames, palette, or config values until the rainbow lightning appears consistent and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.